Hey creators! Ever seen that cool text reveal effect and wondered how to do it in CapCut? I'm showing you exactly how to do it step by step. No fancy skills needed. Let's dive in. First, open CapCut on your phone and tap on the add text icon. For this tutorial, I'm using Stay Tuned as my sample text. Choose any font you like. I went with Rubik, my current fave, and edit it to match your style. Adjust the duration of the text to fit your video, then export this video. We'll use it in the next step. Now start a new project and add 2 clips, the one with the text and the one without any text. Tap the video with the text and select overlay. Now align both clips perfectly on the timeline. Next, tap the mask option and choose split horizontal. Rotate the mask line to 90 degrees so it's vertical. Then position it over the part where you want the text to begin revealing. Now tap the keyframe icon. You'll see it at the bottom of the mask controls. This creates the first keyframe, which shows up as a red diamond on your timeline. Play the video slightly, pause, and move the mask line just a bit to start revealing the text. CapCut automatically creates new keyframes every time you do this. Keep repeating this, play a bit, pause, shift the mask until the full text is revealed. And that's it. You've just created a smooth, professional looking text reveal animation. Here's how mine turned out, even though it's not perfect, but I hope you got the idea. Thanks for watching. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more CapCut hacks made simple. Okay, bye.